We've recently installed a few lighting upgrades to freshen up my 1995 Cobra, including a brand new set of headlights along with a set of LED license plate lights. Today we're going to add some more brightness to the back of this car by replacing our factory lighting in the taillight with some LED upgrades from Diode Dynamics. These LED bulbs from Diode Dynamics are sold as a set of 6 and will be direct replacement for the factory taillight bulbs on your 96 through 04 Mustang. I should mention my car is a 95, but it has been changed out to the 96 style taillights. Again, these are direct replacement. They'll be far brighter and far more visible than your stock bulbs. Now, my 95 has been apart several times because of the massive stereo that was installed at one point. So my rear interior panels are unfortunately not connected, but basically there's gonna be a finger screw here, remove that, and these clips. And what you wanna do is pull this panel out so you can access the back of the taillight. So remove the taillights, there's a nut here, one down here, and one up top. Now you want to disconnect the harness, push the grommet through, and remove your taillight. Now, since I know somebody will notice, I'm actually swapping out taillight housings as well. I have this set here, which are much nicer than the ones that were on the car. These actually came off Leo's car. You guys might remember him. He's actually rebuilding Mustang right now, but these are off the car that he wrecked. And again, he kept them immaculate. So I'm gonna put these on my 95 and put these aside. Now it's just a matter of twisting. Pop that out. Remove the bulb and replace with LED. Do the same for the other two. And it's ready to go back in the car. All right, now you can feed the harness back through. Make sure it's seated properly. And line up the studs and push it in. And then reinstall the hardware. Plug the harness back in and repeat the process on the other side. Obviously a huge difference in light output, and those LED bulbs just look way more modern inside these clear housings. And the installation is pretty straightforward. All you need is a ratchet and 11mm socket. You do gotta pull the housings to give yourself about an hour or so. Back on the road in no time.